Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
And go. It's 4 plastic tabs holding this lower trim panel on. One in here, one in here, one over here, and one over here. It's gonna reach in, because I can sort of pull this down. I'm gonna reach up and push the tab towards the front of the vehicle to unlock it. It's the same for all of them. Undo this one, and then it's also has a push clip in here, right there. And there's 2 tabs that this is sitting on in the back. So pop them out. There are 3 screws holding the blower motor in. You can either use an 8mm or a T25 Torx bit. I'm using that on my extension here. So this one here, and then this one over here. Start with the one closest to the firewall here. The extension's kind of getting in the way. Get it loose, pull it out with my fingers. Get the other one right here. Before I get too far, I'll unplug the connector, push the lock in, pull the plug out. And I'll get the last one here. Hold the blower motor up. Slide out of place around the wires. And there's our blower motor. There's our original blower motor assembly. Our brand new one from 1aauto.com. Same exact style design. Just like the original, the new one has the blower motor resistor. It's integrated inside of here. So if you're looking for the resistor, it is contained in the blower motor. Same mounting tabs, same electrical connector plug. This will work great and fit great in your vehicle. Put the blower motor back in place. We'll line up this part of the blower motor, the opening for it here. Slide it up into the heater box. Past the harness wires here. The screw caught here. Get this other one caught on the other side. And they're just self-tappers going into plastic, so don't over-tighten them. And the final one here behind the harness. And plug it all back in. Our blower motor is replaced. And reinstall this cover. So these 2 pins are going to go in the corresponding holes here at the firewall. So push them in there and then lift it up and clip it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.